So as Zeno was saying, that is the number down in milliseconds is our ping rate to signal R, which we're using for our backend. So let's see. Let's just comment these all out for a second. So let's try this. See if we can make these invisible. We only want these visible when the time comes. So let's try this out. Let me know if you guys think the music for the game is too loud at the second coming through the stream, and then I can try to turn it down some, if it's even coming through. So it looks like that was working. So let's try adding in input. So we're going to add on input over our hover event. So this should give us, put us here. Let's try to see if we can hit that. Why is that fully highlighted? So what we're going to do here is on update, let's make everything not visible. And then basically, based on our state, we're going to change it back to so basically we should have all these different states. Here we're going to add input out, set it on leave. And then we're also going to set input down. Then we need input out here. So that should set this up good. So apparently stuff didn't get cached. So let's see. We should have a blue button 4, 0, and 3. Why don't we see this? Blue button 4, 0, and 3. So we know they're there. Let's try this again. Something's not going right here. Let's try this again. Of course, it's not going to load this time. Well, that's part of it there. Well, the only thing I can think of maybe why that's not working right is since we took out all the pings. Maybe I can't find all of them. Alright, so we do have it somewhat working. But we have some issues. Okay. Let's try adding basically everything to So awesome. Our GitHub repository is currently down. Oh, here we go. Doesn't look like I switched the sprites over. Let's refresh it just in case. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is typical. Nothing big. I'll just comment these out for a second. At least one. I just want to see if this click works. And if this works, that means we have the whole texture atlas stuff working good. Kind of hiccups. Let's add input down on here. See if it maintains it. So what this should do is, whenever we click on it, hover will transition to the click, and then click will maintain once the... There we go. And we should add on input up, return to hover. There's still some issues with it, but it gives us a step closer. So let's put our text back in. Content. You don't need these.